Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top panel. Tap on your profile at the top. Here, tap the three dots beside Advertise. Scroll down and tap Turn Professional Mode Off. Tap Continue to proceed. Then tap Turn Off to confirm. Keep in mind that when you turn off Facebook Professional Mode, you'll no longer have access to the professional dashboard, creator tools, or any professional mode features. Once disabled, you have successfully turned off professional mode on Facebook. Go back to your profile and refresh the page. You'll notice the Professional Dashboard button is no longer visible on your Facebook profile. Your account is now back to a standard personal profile without creator tools. If you want to turn professional mode back on later, you can do so from your profile settings at any time. And that's how you turn off professional mode on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and profile management tutorials. Thanks for watching.